Hello everyone, welcome to our talk. I am Mang Cai, PhD, JD, attorney at law at New Weiming Law Group. The title of my talk for today is How to Change or Extend Visa Status. Okay, if you are in the US watching this video, probably you are holding a non-immigrant visa like F1 or J1. Okay, if you need to extend the visa status, or for example, if you have relatives who visit you, like parents, visit you with B visa, they may need to extend the visa validity, the status in the US. Or sometimes there's the visa status change from F1 to F2 or vice versa, or from F2 to H4 or O3 visa, from H1B to H4 or to F1, F2, and from J2 to H4 visa, from F1 to J1, etc. For all these changes, you will need to fill the form I-539 for visa status change or extension. For the application of work visas, such as H1B, O1, L1, well, you'll fill a different form, I-129, which we cover in other videos. So what kind of documents are needed for this I-539 application? Of course, you need to complete the form itself and sign that, and pay the USCIS fee, currently $370. And you also need to submit your immigration history status documents and the basis for the visa status change. If you are dependent, you need to submit the principal's visa proof, also the proof of relationship. For example, if you are a spouse of someone who holds a H1B visa, you need to provide like a marriage certificate and other proof like joint bank account, common residence, joint property, insurance, these things. Also, well, you need to provide evidence for how you are going to support yourself. The fund may come from yourself or from relatives. If you are changed to F1 student, the fund will also need to cover the tuition. And sometimes if the visa status change is based on your own qualification, instead of as a derivative, as a spouse dependent, you need to submit other documents. For example, if you want to change to F1 visa status, you will need to submit I-20 from the school that admitted you. And if you want to change to J1 visa status, you will need to submit the DS2019 form. How about the I-539 form itself? Now it's 9 pages long and it includes a lot of information. You need to pay enough attention to details. The form asks about applicants' basic information, the past immigration history in the US, and other applicants. For example, B2 extension, the couple can share the same I-539 form, only need to pay one piece of the application fee to the USCIS. Also, the form asks, has there ever been immigration petition filed for you? Have you ever been arrested, convicted for criminal offense in the US? And some other moral questions. Have you ever killed anybody, participated in genocide, these things. Also, question about past military or weapon training experience. Are you currently in removal proceedings? Have you violated the term of your visa? And have you ever held J visa without waiver yet? So, as I mentioned, altogether the form is 9 pages long. The main applicant, of course, needs to sign the form. If there's interpreter or there's preparer for the form, those people also need to sign the I-539 form. Well, this I-539 form, as we mentioned, now it's more complicated than before, and there are exceptions, and there are minor exceptions to exceptions. So if you have additional questions, you can contact us to get more information. Again, the topic of this video is how to change or extend your visa status in the US. Thank you.